right, so you went and got yourself some crypto, your first bit of Bitcoin, your first Ethereum, your first altcoin. Now what do you do with it? You can't leave it lying around on the shelf or collecting dust anywhere, weighing your pockets down. You got to keep it somewhere safe and secure, and that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. But if you decide that you want to preserve your privacy and make sure all the data that goes in and out of your computer is encrypted, then check out NordVPN. My affiliate link will give you something like a 2/3 discount on some of their packages. Got crypto? Got a hardware wallet to keep your crypto safe? Then you have to have one of these to keep your seed phrase safe. The Keystone tablet is fireproof, waterproof. You can use it to store 12-word, 18-word, 15-word, 24-word seed phrases. It comes with a full set of letters and everything you need to make sure that your seed phrase never gets destroyed or disappeared. Get one, get two, get three, have multiple copies. Use my affiliate link in the description below. Hi everybody, this is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. Now, before I continue, I must request you to please come and subscribe to my channel on bit.ly/CryptoRichOdyssey. I post more material there than I do on YouTube. Some of it is far too spicy for YouTube. Also, please follow me on Twitter, CryptoRichYT, join my official Telegram announcements channel, and to sign up to Odyssey, all it takes is an email and password. You create it just like with YouTube. No KYC, nothing like that, and you get censorship resistant videos. Okay, so the safest way to keep your Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency is offline. Now what that means is not connected to the internet. Plus you want to have it in a way that you can access it when you need to, but nobody else can. And this is why I recommend the safest way to keep your cryptocurrencies is in a hardware wallet. Now there are many different hardware wallets, and in this video I am going to be doing an unboxing of the Keystone wallet, hardware wallet, sent to me by the good people at Keystone. And I'm going to start. You can see it's still sealed, right? But before I do, one of the things I want to tell you about, and I want to maybe remind you during the course of the video, is when you have a hardware wallet, you will get to create a seed phrase, or it will create one for you. And it's really important to keep the seed phrase safe and secure and separate from your hardware wallet. Don't put it online. And I recommend using the Keystone tablet. And you can use the same affiliate link for the Keystone tablet as you can for the Keystone hardware wallet. All right, so I'm just going to take a moment to open this up. Now, one of the things I noticed about the Keystone wallet is this tear-off slip here. Now, this is really important, and this should be the case with every single hardware wallet you purchase. Whether it's a Keystone or any other brand, there should be some form of tamper-proof security device on it to make sure that it hasn't been opened in transit. And don't ever buy a second-hand hardware wallet, okay? So you want to go to the original supplier or an official reseller. So I've taken that off, and inside there are two boxes. And this one, let me take this one out, is the actual hardware wallet, and it has a security tag on it, which is still sealed, security seal, which shows that this hasn't been tampered with. All right, so I've taken the green screen off because it was getting a bit annoying. And what we have here is the box without the security seal. And what's in this? Well, we have got the USB-C cable. Okay, and here, this is a battery cartridge for use with the mobile phone device, which will be in the other box. Here we go. Let me open this one up. Torn open the seals. Let me open this one up. Let's have a look. Here we go. There is a coupon code if I want to pass this on to somebody else. Then they can get a discount. You can, of course, give them my affiliate code. And you sign what you see is what it says here. Like that. That is the Keystone. So there it is. I think this is the... Okay, so there it is. It's about the size of a small mobile phone. And good feel. And it has on the back here, this is the camera, and this one is a fingerprint sensor. And this is in the Keystone Pro and the Keystone Ultimate, but not in the Keystone Essential. The Keystone Essential is really for long-term hodlers. You just want to hodl your crypto, don't really use it much. The Keystone Essential is for people who just want to hodl, lock away their Bitcoins and forget about it. But the Keystone Pro is for regular users, because one of the amazing things about the Keystone is it works with a lot of extension wallets like MetaMask. They keep adding more and more of those extension wallets. So this will be really good for working with your Keplr and your Osmodex or MetaMask with Uniswap or something. Okay, what else is in the box? Barcode, serial number. Let me open this up. And there's also a guide on how to use this and some cards here to write down your recovery phrase. But of course, if you're really smart, you'll have a Keystone tablet and use that for your phrase because it's far more secure. So this is the wallet here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take off the case here, right? And it can use 4 AA batteries. This is for the Keystone Essential and the Keystone Pro. There you go. So 4 AA batteries will go in there. I don't have those. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the rechargeable battery, which comes with the Keystone Pro and the Keystone Ultimate. And I'm just going to slot that in there. Oh, dropped it. It's magnetic. In it goes. That's secure. And then I take off this plastic coating like that. And then I press the power button here at the top and just wait for that to turn on. Now, I don't know if you can see that clearly here. You may not be able to see this too clearly, right? But the first thing it says is please select language. And of course, I'm going to select English. Click on next. Security verification in progress. And then it says please open the following link using a PC. And this will help guide setting up your Keystone hardware wallet. Now the link takes me to the start page where I can set it up. So it's welcome to read our quick start guide and get your Keystone set up within minutes. And I like this, right? I fully understand that the recovery phrase, seed or secret words, enables final ownership of all my crypto assets on the wallet. If it is lost or forgotten, all crypto assets will be irretrievable. Yep, I understand that. Click on that. I'm fully aware that writing down and storing my recovery phrase in multiple places is highly recommended, and any digital methods of storage are not. So like in email, on Google Drive, Dropbox, not recommended. Digital methods include taking photos, typing it into a mobile notebook application, storing it in a password manager, or any cloud storage services. Those are not secure. Yep, I understand that. I'm fully aware that I should never, ever, 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 ever share my recovery phrase with anyone. Anyone with this recovery phrase will have access to all of my crypto assets associated with that recovery phrase, and the stolen assets are irretrievable. If anyone or anything like customer service agents, online forms, or websites ask for my recovery phrase or secret words, I understand that they are scammers, since Keystone would never request your recovery phrase from you. Okay, only scammers would do that. So click on that. Yep, I understand that. Click on next. Charge your battery. Rechargeable battery. How to charge the rechargeable lithium battery. Utilize the USB-C cable, which I've got provided in the package, which solely supports only USB Type A to USB Type C cables. Additionally, you will also need a 5V1A or 5V2A charger, which is not included. It takes around 3 hours to fully charge the battery. The light indicator on the battery turns right when it's partially charged and yellow when fully charged. Okay, so I've charged the battery, and then it also tells you how you can place 4 AAA batteries. It says you need to prepare a micro SD card not exceeding 512 gigabytes of memory capacity, and you don't get one of those in the pack. Connect the battery pack to the Keystone device and hold down the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the device. I've done that. Click on next. Web authentication. Verify if your Keystone was physically tampered with during the manufacturing and logistic process. Ensure the firmware upgrade you downloaded isn't corrupted. So this is what this does, right? And what I need to do is I need to scan the QR code from the authentication tool within my Keystone, and then enter the 8 characters displayed on the Keystone after the scan into the web tool. And this is to make sure that this is a legitimate device and that the firmware is also legitimate. So I'm now scanning it, and it's going to tell me, okay, so I've got characters here, right, that I now got to put in here, which I'm going to do. And this is not the seed phrase, VC68Q, B5W4, verify. Yay, my device is secure, fabulous. Success, click on success. And now I need a password, a minimum of 10 characters. Do not use the word password. So I'm going to type in the password. Now, I don't have a micro SD card with me to hand, so I'm not able to update the firmware, but this is only for demonstration purposes right now. So I can skip this process, and then when I do start to use this, I will get a SD card and update the firmware. So I'm going to click on skip, otherwise you would update. Now here it says I can either import a wallet or create a wallet. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a wallet. It asks me for my password again. Now if I zoom in on this, I don't know if you can see that, it says I can create a wallet with a single backup, or I can create a wallet with a Shamir backup. Now what's a Shamir backup? A Shamir backup will split the 24-word seed phrase into 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bits, which I can then use, and I can store in several different locations with a particular threshold. Like, for example, if I were to split it into 5, I would only need 4 of the 5 to be able to access it. Now, this is far more secure than a single 24-word seed phrase that's kept in one location. It's always a good idea to split the keyword up, and that's what a Shamir backup does. Now, I'm not going to do a Shamir backup for this video. I'm just going to do a single wallet creation, a single phrase creation, and the phrase that I use, I am not going to ever use again. It is only for demonstration purposes. Now, it says here, please check your surroundings. Make sure there are no onlookers who can steal your phrase. That's right. None of you should be looking right now at my secret phrase. Oh, it's a good one. Once a wallet is created, the recovery phrase will not be displayed again. So it's in a grid like this right there. You've seen 6 of them. And you can try and work out what the other 18 are. Although I'm not going to be using this phrase at all, right? But it's in a grid. So I've written them down. Recovery phrase saved. Then it says, please confirm that you have saved it. You can't recover your assets without the recovery phrase. Next step, yep, done. And now I have to type them into this blank grid here. All right, I've put the recovery phrase in. It's now creating the wallet. Please keep the screen on, screen verification in process. And then I get to choose the companion app. And I'm going to use the Keystone companion app. But I've also got a choice using the Web3 or Polkadot or XRP Toolkit. And if I updated the firmware, I'm sure there'll be more applications I can use with this. And here I can say, which cryptocurrency do I want to add? BTC and ETH are already added. There you go. I've added Bitcoin, ETH, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Dot, Litecoin, Tron, and Ripple. Now, the latest firmware means I can add hundreds and hundreds and dozens of cryptocurrencies. Now, if I look on the website, I can see the coins and tokens and the blockchains that are supported. Over 20 different software wallets, 5,500 coins and tokens, 200 blockchains. And you can see here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, USD, and so on 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 and so on, all the ERC20 tokens. And now the different wallets are indicated by these. So this will also connect with the MetaMask, Safe, Bitkeep, Block Wallet, and the Keystone companion app, which is what I'm using. So this way I get to store many different assets on my Keystone wallet. Now, to transact with the Keystone wallet, I'd be downloading the mobile app and I'd be using QR codes, as this wallet is air-gapped, no cables, doesn't connect to the Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, just using QR codes. No cable, no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, it uses QR codes. Now all the data is stored on a secure element 5.0 according to the standard, which is the same as you would get on a debit card or a credit card. It's bank grade secure element. The firmware is open source, so anybody can check it for bugs and hacks and backdoors. I think that makes it extra secure. It has detachable battery options. You can set it up to use a fingerprint sensor on the Essential and on the Pro, and not on the Ultimate, as I'd said earlier. That was my mistake. And if anybody tries to get into the device physically, then it has a self-destruct mechanism which wipes all the data clear when it detects that somebody's trying to get inside it, trying to disassemble it. You can get the Essential for $119 or the Pro for $169. And you can see the differences between them. And I request you use my affiliate link, which is bit.ly/CryptoRichKeystone. Now, if you're a Bitcoin maxi, which I'm not, then you can use firmware with this device, which only allows for the storage of Bitcoin. And the advantage of that is that it reduces the attack surface area, and that your Bitcoin is super duper secure. And really, Bitcoin maxis, all they ever care about really is Bitcoin. What do they want all the other coins and tokens for? So that's it. That's the Keystone wallet and the Keystone tablet. I did a separate video on the Keystone tablet on how to use it and set it up, so do watch that. I'll link to that in the description below. And I have an interview coming up with the founder and the CEO of Keystone, so do watch out for that, because there'll be lots more information about this wallet. Use my affiliate link, other links in the description below. And between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your wallets with lots and lots of crypto profits. This is Crypto Rich signing out. All the best. Bye bye.